Hello student, we will study about the 10th chapter, that is genomics of the molecular basis of inheritance. The genomics terms was first coined by Thomas Roderick. What is genomics? Genomics, it is the application of DNA sequencing and genome mapping for the study, design and manufacture of biologically important molecules. That means these biologically important molecules manufactured or designed or study of these molecules by the application of DNA sequencing and genome mapping. These two things are utilized for the study, design and manufacture of the biologically important molecules. That means here the function of gene is identified by using the techniques of reverse genetics. It is a complex definition, but this one is the simplest one. That means biologically important molecules, its study, design and manufacture by the application of DNA sequencing and genome mapping. Then HGP, Human Genome Project. Human Genome Project. Its goal was the complete mapping and understanding of the all human genes. That means all the human genes, its complete mapping and understanding. It is the part of the Human Genome Project. It is a 13-year project by the US Department of Energy and Natural Institute of Health, starting from 1992 to 2003. How many bases are found? 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair, and its total cost is $9 billion US. And they found 20,000 to 25,000 number of genes. Among them, the smallest gene is the TDF, testis determining factor, around 14 base pair. And the largest gene is the Duchenne muscular dystrophy genes. The largest gene, that is around 2400 into 10 to the power 3 base pair. This is all about the Human Genome Project. Similarly, in other organisms, in E. coli, around 4.7 million base pair. Number of genes 4000. In Saccharomyces cerevisiae, yeast, around 12 million base pair. Number of genes 6000 number of genes. In Drosophila melanogaster, number of base pair 180 million base pair, around 13,000 genes. What is the goal of HGP? First, identification of all the genes. Second, determine the sequence of 3 billion chemical base pair. This base pair determinations, all genes identifications. The third goal, storing of information in database. The information developed and it was stored in database. The fourth one is improve tools for data analysis. The fifth one, transfer related technology to other sector such as industry for mass multiplications. The sixth one, that is bioinformatics. The seventh one, sequencing of model organisms and their relatedness. And the last one, the address the ethical, legal and social issues. Overall, this is important, and storing tools important, industry, bioinformatics and model organisms. Methodology. First, STS, sequence tag site, short DNA segment that occur only in a genome its exact locations and order of bases are known. That means STS, sequence tag sites, exact locations and order of base are known. Serve as landmark on the physical map. Physical mapping, it is act as a landmark, and also called as express tag sequence tag, EST. That means STS is also called as EST, express sequence tag. That means its exact location and order of bases are known. Genes that are expressed as RNA are referred to as EST. Genes are expressed as RNA. Annotations: sequencing the whole set of genome that contains all coding and non-coding, and that latter assigning different regions in the sequence with functions. Annotation means sequence of the whole set of genomes containing coding and non-coding, that latter assign different regions in the sequence with functions. And the third one, RFLP, restriction fragment length polymorphisms. YAC, East artificial chromosome, it acts as a plasmids, one type of plasmids. Plasmids, it is not a plasmid, actually it is a cloning vectors. BAC, bacterial artificial chromosome, it is also a cloning vector. PCR, polymerase chain reaction for mass multiplications of the DNA. Then electrophoresis. What are the salient features of SGP? Around 3164.7 million base pair. More than 50% genes functions are unknown. Less than 2% gene code for proteins. The highest number of genes present in chromosome number 1, that is 2968. The pure number of genes present in Y chromosome, that is 231 number of genes. 1.4 million locations are there, that is SNP, single nucleotide polymorphisms. Out of the whole genome, 24% are introns, less than 2% coding exons, and 20% structural genes, and others. These are the important components of human genome project. In this way, the molecular basis of inheritance is completed. Thank you.